In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot your Radio Garden app if it is not working. So if you can't access radio services from any part of the world, or maybe your app can't open, then it means that you have errors on your app and they need to be fixed. So if you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, let's get into it. As you can see, I have my app here. And to fix errors associated with this app, I need to go ahead and access the app through settings as one of the methods. So if I go ahead and tap on settings, I'll need to go ahead and look for the app information page. From settings, I'll go ahead and tap on apps. Now for this tutorial, I'm using a Redmi Note 10. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. From this, look for this option called manage apps. On some smartphones, it might be written all apps or more apps. Go ahead and tap on it. And this will go ahead and list all the apps that you have on your smartphone. From this, scroll down until you see your app. And as you can see, my app is here. I'll proceed and tap on it. Now we are on the app information page, and this is where we shall do our troubleshooting. However, if you can't find this page or you are getting a challenge locating this app information page, let me show you a shortcut method that you can use to get here. And for this, just go back and then go to your app. And now instead of tapping on it, go ahead and long press on it and then tap on app info. This will again take you to the same page. From this, we want to go ahead and clear the app data, more especially cache data. So if I tap on storage here, you can see we have a lot of cache data. Now, one of the reasons why your app is malfunctioning, it's because of accumulation of cache data. When you talk of cache data, these are files that are normally stored on your app whenever you use it to enhance user experience. However, the problem is the accumulation of these files might cause your app to malfunction. So to solve this problem, you need to go ahead and clear these cache files. To do so, just head down here and then tap on clear data. And then you'll see we have this option called clear cache. Go ahead and tap on OK. And this will clear all the cache data that are on our app. Now restart your smartphone and then open your app, and it should be working now fine. However, if this didn't solve your problem, then you might want to go ahead and clear all the app data by tapping on clear all data here and then tap on OK, and all data will be cleared. Then try opening your app and it should now work fine. So if this didn't solve your problem, then you might want to go ahead and use the third and last method to solve your problem. And for this, you need to access the app through Google Play Store or App Store if you are on iPhone. So I'm on Android, and therefore I'll go ahead and look for the app through Google Play Store. So I'll tap on Play Store, and as you can see, Radio Garden is here. So go ahead and search for your app, and once you find it, look for any option called update here. So one of the reasons why your app is malfunctioning is because you are using an outdated version that contains bugs, and this needs to be fixed by updating to the latest version. By updating to the latest version, you'll also be able to get the latest features that come with the Radio Garden app, as well as fix security issues. Once you update it to the latest version, you'll be able to see this option called open. Now proceed and open to start using your app. So by using any of these three methods, you should be able to fix problems or errors related to your app and make it start working just fine. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.